Jeff is the best Facebooker I know.
Really?
He's a great
What makes you a good
Facebooker.
Facebooker?
He's just real funny. I mean, in general, but he's perfect at, like, you know, the bon mot, like, which is what you want, like that quick wit. And this was in the middle of the BP disaster, so comedy gold.
Of course.
Obviously, he lives in Louisiana. And he...
Which is where you're from as well, is that right?
That is where I'm from.
Louisiana.
And he asked why they hadn't just sent, you know, Bono down.
Right.
To plug it, like singing, like, you know, his In the Name of Love.
Right, yeah.
With, like, mud.
Or, you know, I'm pretty sure that the reason he wears those stupid glasses is because he actually has laser eyes inside there. I think that's why he wears them all the time. So maybe he could have used his laser eyes to fix that.
To fix it.
To fix the leak. Why didn't he do that?
I don't know if I'm going to go on... You might be out on a limb with the laser eye
Well,
thing.
you know what? We'll look it up on Wikipedia later, all right?
Wikipedia will tell us.